Tampok ang higit 200 performances sa Edmonton Fringe Festival ngayong linggo. Kabilang dito ang grupong Tita Collective.
So it's a lottery-based festival. You submit, and then they have one night where they pull names out of a bucket, and then that's how you're selected for the festival. So that is what makes it so competitive, is that it's lottery-based.
Ito raw ang pinakaunang beses na naimbita ang grupo sa pinakamalaking Fringe Festival sa buong Canada.
We're actually here a few years ago with Rapid Fire for a show, and after coming here, we noticed that there was such a vibrance with the theater community, and it's kind of a widespread thing that Edmonton Fringe is such an exciting, bustling time, and so we've been wanting to come here, and we were really lucky to be a part of the festival this year, and so we're super excited.
Tita Jokes ang pangalan ng sketch comedy show na inihanda ng grupo ng 5 kababaihang comedian mula Toronto para sa ika-45 edisyon ng festival sa Old Strathcona.
It's a musical comedy extravaganza, so there's going to be singing, there's going to be dancing, lots and lots of laughter, lots of jokes. We like to call it like it's like a halo show. There's just like sketches where we're covering a whole array of topics, but through song and dance and through comedy.
Bukod sa percentage ng ticket sales, dahil pinapayagan ng festival ang mga performers na mag-fundraise para makapasok sa festival lineup, bumuo ang Tita Collective ng kanilang GoFundMe page para lamang sa festival. Maaring mapanood ang Tita Jokes sa Gateway Theatre sa Biyernes at sa Linggo, August 16 hanggang Huwebes, August 20.
We would love for folks to come and join the Fam Jam. If you are looking for a big laugh and sort of like a big hug in a show, then this is the show for you. Honestly, we have so much fun.
Magaganap ang Edmonton Fringe Festival hanggang August 23. At yan ang mga balita ngayon araw. Itong Omni News Filipino. Ako si Teresa Barrera. Maraming salamat po.